let's do a question of chapter triangles. In this question, we are supposed to prove that in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. So, we will take triangle ABC and we will apply angle sum property. On solving that equation, I will derive that hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay guys? So, in triangle ABC, the sum of angles will be equal to 180 degree. That implies angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees. And it was given that angle A is equal to 90 degrees. So from here I am getting 90 plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. That implies angle B plus angle C will be equal to 90 degrees. So the sum of two angles is of 90 degree. That means angle B and angle C must be less than 90 degrees. So if I say that angle B is of 40 degree, then angle C must be of 50 degrees. Okay guys? So this implies that these two angles are always less than 90 degree, which implies that A is the largest angle, that is of 90 degrees. And by the property which states that side opposite to largest angle is the largest. So angle A is the largest angle of 90 degrees. So I can say that side opposite to angle A will be the largest side. So this is angle A and this is the opposite side BC, which implies that BC, which is the hypotenuse, is the largest. Okay guys? Now let's just do a quick recap now. So we were supposed to prove that the hypotenuse is the longest side in right angle triangle. So I just applied that angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees because of angle sum property of triangle, and my one angle is of 90 degree, that is angle A. So from here I am getting angle B plus angle C will be equal to 90 degrees. That means each of these angle is less than 90 degrees. So angle A is coming out to be the largest angle, and I know that side opposite to largest angle is the largest. That implies that BC, which is the hypotenuse, is the largest side. Here is an extra question for you guys. In triangle ABC, if angle A is equal to angle B and they are equal to 45 degrees, name the longest side. Thank you guys. Keep learning, keep sharing.